How to bet on live sports using 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure you register and complete your profile. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page where you can see a variety of options including sports, live events, and promotions. Next, tap on the live section. This will display all the current matches and events happening in real time. You can filter them by sport, league, or popularity. Choose the match you are interested in and tap to open the available betting options. After that, you will see all the live odds and betting markets. These update constantly depending on how the game is progressing. Pick your desired betting option like win, over or under, handicap, or any other, and then tap on the corresponding odds. Once selected, the bet will appear in your bet slip. You can access the bet slip by tapping the icon, usually located at the bottom or top right. Enter the amount you want to stake, review your choices, and then hit place bet. If everything looks good, confirm your bet and it will be processed instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to bet on live sports using 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.